Hello, it's Jill at glimmerbug.com, and today I thought it'd be fun to do a little flip through on the 100-day project that I've been participating in. I've been doing this since the day one, which was in March, and I was posting it on my blog every day, and it got to be to the point where I just was losing it because I had so many posts and things moving around. So it's getting to be baseball and softball season for the kids, so it's getting a little cuckoo. So I needed to figure out a different way to do it. So I've decided to do a flip through on my book so far. So we are at nearly day 60. We're at day 59 today, which is April 12th. I've done through day 60 just to give myself a little bit of grace because, like I said, I've got one in baseball and I've got one on two softball teams. Thank God the third kid, she's in her off season, so I'm running all over the place. So time is at a premium. But I made this book for my cards, my little mini mixed media collages that I'm doing, like ATC size, 2.5 by 3.5, because I figured that way it holds it all together in one little nice little package. And I used two brochures that I had gotten from our orthodontist when my oldest kid got braces, and I had them in my stash of papers, and I thought, I can use these for something, and looky what I did. So I made a little journal. So let's get started and just take a quick gander through so you can see what it is that I've done for my days. So I've got them numbered, day 1, day 2, day, so I tried to fit 4 per page. And then they're on a nice little colorful mixed media background. But lots of fun. I use watercolor and collage and stamps and glitter glue and fabric and magazine pages and some collage imagery. So trying to do all different things each day. And I had some little cutouts from my stash, so I used those, and I fussy cut some other things here. He was cute. I don't know where he came from in my brain, but then this one, I love this picture because it looks like something from when my parents were kids, but it's just a stock photography image. And then there's the crow. He's the one that reminds me of my dad. My dad used to love crows. That was his thing. And they actually still go to my childhood home where he used to feed them, and they hang out along the rooftop, my neighbor was telling me. So they still miss him, and it's been almost 4 years. And a nice duck, and she's cute. She was from some dolls that I bought my girls when they were little, and I just love the little cutouts. So I kept them, photocopied them, and then I used them in my art here and there. This is from that same photo pack as before on the other page with the picture of the people by the car. And she was cute. She was on a stamp. And I purchased these from Etsy a while back, and I purchased them for a project, and then I ended up not using them for that project. So I have a bunch of little fussy cut cats. And then I used like a little, almost like a paper fabric flower, and stapled that on here along with some little painted eyelet. And I bought one of those hand sewing machines, you know, those ones that you hold like this and you feed it through, so that I could kind of add a little bit of that to my work. A cute little guy here. So this is day 44. And a little bunny. A little bumblebee. He's cute. And a bird. I had him in my stash. These two came out of the same image digital download that I bought on Etsy. And then here we are at the end. So those guys, those are from that previous kit that I was telling you about. These are a digital download that I have on my website. They're little houses that are in the shape of cakes and cupcakes and ice cream cones and that kind of thing. And so yeah, day 60, which is tomorrow, but I went ahead and did that because I wanted to make sure I was free and clear. And there we are, updated till day 60 for the 100-day project. So that's my look through. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will continue doing more for the next 40 days for the full 100 days, and then I'll show you what it all looks like when we are all done. Thanks for watching. Visit me online at glimmerbug.com. Have a great day.